What's up? I produce in Logic Pro. In case you didn't know, anytime you hear this tag,
Yeah.
your boy JeaLou5 made that beat. Let's dive in. Get your settings right first. All8.com is great for calculating BPM. The red R or arm button sets the track, then hit record to start recording. You can always use Quantization if you're having problems trying to get things lined up. Apple Loops is an amazing sample library. You can drag and drop sounds in. Green files are pre-recorded MIDI notes you can edit in a piano roll. Blue files you have to chop and screw the old-fashioned way. Grab some dope instruments and repeat the recording process, or play with some loops. Just don't get too codependent on those, because everyone uses this library. You can search instruments once you're familiar. Percussion sets usually have different instruments on each MIDI key. Individual instruments only change notes and octaves with the key presses. Arrange and test out more sounds like drum fills or atmosphere to fill holes in your mix. Don't forget to double, triple, quadruple check your mix on everything possible. Now you know. That's how JeaLou5 did it.